our consciousness, which is our soul, the expression of the soul, or the presence of the soul, or the energy of the soul, falsely absorbed in the body, experiences happiness and distress. And karma, or fruit of activity, we work to get some result, is performed when we falsely consider ourselves to be the enjoyers of the material world. False ego is, thus, the illusory combination within our minds of the self and the body, which are actually two separate objects. This is false ego. The body, I'm Punjabi. Really? The soul, there's a Punjabi soul. There's a Punjabi soul, Punjabi spiritual world. There's a Punjabi Bhagavan. Bhagavan Punjabi. Om Namo Bhagavate Punjabi Ha. This is very nice. The illusory combination within our minds of the, in our minds we make this comment. Yes, I have consciousness, I have awareness, I have a sense of identity, a sense of id. They say id or ego, or I have consciousness. I exist. I exist, therefore I am, or whatever, these different philosophers. So that, in other words, there's the body and there's the Atma. There's the soul and the body. But when you think, when you combine within the mind we thinking, feeling, willing, that the self and the body are one, then that's false ego. When a conditioned soul falsely considers himself to be the body and the enjoyer of the material world, he tries to find pleasure and connection with the opposite sex. Such sinful activity is based on this false concept of being the body and the enjoyer of this world. But he's not the body. So his enjoyment of this world actually doesn't exist. It is merely an interaction with his body and the objects of this world.